Hey everyone, in today's video I built my own functional weathered bat signal from scratch. Once everything was printed, I test fitted all of the parts and planned out the electronics. I designed the battery compartment with magnets, giving it a clean, removable cover without the need for screws. Next came surface preparation. I sanded away the support marks and applied UV resin to smooth out the layer lines. I followed that up with a coat of high build primer and filled any imperfections with an air dry putty to create a solid base for painting. After sanding all that smooth, I applied a grey undercoat and then left it overnight to dry. With the surface now ready, I sprayed a metallic silver base coat. To create a realistic paintwear, I applied toothpaste to selected edges before spraying a final matte black top coat. Once the paint had dried, I rubbed away the toothpaste to reveal the chips of silver underneath. For the electronics, I wired the LED, resistor and switch. After testing a few different setups, I found that a single high intensity LED produced the cleanest and sharpest bat signal projection. To finish everything off, I lightly distressed the paint using fine steel wool before applying a weathering wash of brown, black and just a touch of yellow. Once it had settled, I wiped it back to leave dirt and grime in all the natural recesses, giving the bat signal a realistic, well-used appearance. After one final test, everything worked exactly as I'd hoped. This was a really fun build and I'm thrilled with how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next build.